Ever wondered why understanding dividend schedules for ETFs is so crucial? Well, let me enlighten you. Imagine two distinct dividend schedules for YieldMax ETFs. One is for your regular covered call ETFs and the other is for your fund of funds ETFs and ultra. Quite a mouthful, isn't it? But don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Here's how it works. Your covered call ETF distributions are paid out at the beginning of the month. It's like getting your paycheck right at the start, a nice little boost to kick things off. Now, on the other hand, your fund of funds and ultra ETFs are a bit different. These are paid out in the middle of the month. Think of it as a mid-month pick-me-up, a financial booster shot to keep you going. Now, take for instance Ultra, YMAX and YMAG. These ETFs will distribute their dividends on April 19, 2024. Want to get in on that action? Then you need to buy these ETFs by April 15 or April 16. That's right, Monday or Tuesday of this week. But wait, there's more. The ex-dividend date is April 17th, with the record date following closely on April 18th and payment finally on April 19th. To ensure you're in the running for April dividends, remember to purchase these ETFs by Monday or Tuesday of this week. Now here's where it gets exciting. The distribution estimate will be announced on the 16th, so if you want to stay in the loop, subscribe to this channel and hit that like button to receive all updates. In summary, understanding the dividend schedules for your ETFs is vital. Regular covered call ETFs pay at the beginning of the month, while fund of funds and ultra ETFs pay mid-month. If you're looking to invest in ultra, YMAX or YMAG, make sure to buy them by April 15 or 16 to receive dividends. And don't forget, the distribution estimate will be announced on the 16th, so stay tuned, subscribe and like for updates. Thank you for being part of our community of money-minded and passive income enthusiasts. It's always a pleasure to guide you on your financial journey. Until next time, keep those dividends rolling in.